If you've ever wondered how to save Canva AI generated images, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create an AI image in Canva and then download it to your device in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to make custom visuals for social media, presentations, thumbnails, blogs, or any creative project without starting from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser or in the Canva app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Canva dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva puts its smart creation tools, including image generation. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look through the menu options until you find it, because this is the section you'll use to generate your AI image. After you open Canva AI, click the image option. This tells Canva that you want to create an image rather than another type of content. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want Canva to generate. This is the most important part, because the better your description is, the better your final image will be. For example, you could type something like, create an image of a beach, or you could be more specific and say, create an image of a tropical beach at sunset with palm trees and golden water. Canva will use your text prompt to generate an image based on your idea. So if you want a more detailed result, try adding colors, style, mood, objects, or background details to your prompt. Once you've typed your prompt, wait for Canva to generate the image. This may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the request and your internet connection. While it's working, just let Canva do its thing and don't refresh the page. When the image appears, take a moment to review it and make sure it looks the way you want. If you want to save the image, hover over it with your mouse. When you do that, you should see the download icon appear. Click the download icon and Canva will begin saving the AI-generated image to your device. Depending on your browser or device settings, the file may download automatically to your downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. And that's really all there is to it. You open Canva AI, choose the image option, enter your prompt, wait for Canva to generate the image, and then click the download icon to save it. It's a fast and easy way to create custom AI images without needing advanced design skills. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, AE tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.